Question 9 of this exercise says in figure 12.27, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA equals 7 cm, find the area of the shaded region. So it is given in the question that OA, which is same as the radius of the bigger circle, that is 7 cm, and OD is also the radius of the bigger circle, which is same as 7 cm, and it is also the diameter of the smaller circle. So its radius will be 7 by 2 cm, and we can find AB, that is the diameter of the bigger circle, which is same as 7 plus 7, which is same as 14, and we can also find OC, that is the radius, which is 7 cm. So we have OC, that is 7 cm, AB, that is 14 cm. Now let's find the area of the smaller circle. Let's take it as A1, that equals to pi r square, which is same as 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2, because 7 by 2 is the radius of the smaller circle. So on solving this, we will get 77 divided by 2 square centimeter. So that is the area of the smaller circle. Now let's find the area of the semicircle with diameter 14 centimeter or radius 7 centimeter. So it will be 1 by 2 multiplied by pi r square, or we can say 1 by 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 and multiplied by 7 into 7. On solving this, we'll get the area of semicircle as 77 square centimeter. Now we have the area of the semicircle. We can find the area of this triangle ABC, and when we subtract it, we'll get this area, these two shaded region. So let's find the area of triangle ABC, that is half into base AB into height OC, which is same as half into 14 into 7, and on solving this, we will get the area of triangle A3 as 49 square centimeter. Now let's find the shaded area. So to find the shaded area, we'll subtract the area of triangle from the area of semicircle. So it will be 77 minus 49, and we'll add the area of the smaller circle, which is 77 by 2. And on solving this, we will get it as 28 plus 77 by 2. And on further solving it, we'll get the area as 66.5 square centimeter.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.